Effortless beauty, makeup for travel. This video will show you how to maintain your beauty routine while traveling. We'll explore the best travel-friendly makeup products, tools, and tips to keep you looking your best, no matter where you are. Benefits of travel-friendly makeup. Travel-friendly makeup has many benefits. First, it meets airport security regulations, so you can easily carry it in your hand luggage. It also saves space and reduces the risk of spills. Plus, these products allow for quick touch-ups, so you can always look your best without any hassle. Choosing the right makeup for travel. When picking makeup for travel, consider a few key factors. The product size is important. Look for compact items that won't take up much space. Durability matters too. Your makeup should survive the journey without breaking or spilling. Versatility is also key. Choose products that serve multiple purposes, like a lipstick that doubles as a blush. Finally, think about the climate of your destination and choose products that will work well in those conditions. Types of travel makeup kits. There are different types of travel makeup kits to suit your needs. All-in-one palettes are very convenient, offering a variety of eyeshadows, blushes, and lip colors in one place. Mini-sized versions of your favorite makeup items are also great for travel, fitting easily into your bag without adding much weight. Essential makeup products for travel. Foundation and concealer are must-haves for travel. Choose lightweight, long-lasting formulas that blend easily and provide good coverage. Some foundations even include SPF protection to shield your skin from UV rays. For quick touch-ups, a travel-friendly concealer pen is a handy option. Multi-purpose cheek and lip products like tinted balms or cream blushes are also great. They save space and keep your routine simple. Travel-friendly eye makeup. For your eyes, opt for travel-sized eyeshadow palettes with versatile shades that work for both day and night looks. Waterproof mascara is essential. It resists humidity and sweat while adding volume and curl to your lashes. Long-wearing eyeliner pencils are also a good choice. They create precise lines and won't smudge throughout the day. Don't forget to use an eye primer to keep your makeup from creasing, especially in warm climates. Practical tools and accessories. Traveling with the right tools and accessories makes all the difference. A set of mini makeup brushes designed for travel is a must-have. They take up less space, but still offer everything you need. A compact mirror is also essential for touch-ups on the go. Keep your makeup organized with a durable, travel-friendly makeup bag that has compartments for different products. Cleansing wipes are another travel essential. They make removing makeup quick and easy. Techniques for effortless makeup application while traveling. When traveling, quick and simple makeup routines are key. For a daytime look, start with a lightweight tinted moisturizer or BB cream. Add a cream blush for a natural glow, lengthen your lashes with mascara, and finish with a tinted lip balm. For an evening look, use a luminous foundation or light reflecting primer. Add shimmery eyeshadow, define your eyes with liquid eyeliner, and finish with a bold lipstick.